How to change background in Edits in Instagram app. Want to make your post stand out? You can easily change the background in Edits in Instagram app. First, open the app and start editing your post. Look for the background option and tap on it. You'll be able to choose from a variety of pre-made backgrounds, or you can upload a custom image from your gallery. Once you have selected your background, you can adjust its size and position to fit your post perfectly. If you want a more personalized touch, try uploading your own image or pattern as the background. What kind of background are you going to use? Drop your ideas and let me know in the comments below. And now that your background is set, you're ready to make your post pop. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.